Mike.
Yeah, good. Very apprehensive, very good.
Hopefully they've done a good job of packing up the parachute. That works. We're about 5 minutes floating down, enjoying the view, mate.
Good.
Anything you want to say to your friends and family?
Just love you lots.
All right, mate. Thumbs up. Let's go skydiving.
Hey Patrick, how are you?
I'm good, thanks Cameron, yeah.
Feeling good?
I feel alright. I feel like I've made a lot of bad life decisions in the past, and this could be another one.
Nah, I don't think so.
Hey mate, how are you?
Been better?
Yeah, first time I take it?
Certainly is.
Good stuff. Let's jump in the plane, eh?
Sounds good.
Do it. See you later.
What's going on today? What are we up to?
We're in Taupo, about to do a skydive.
Yeah.
Started off as a bit of banter, but yeah, doing it.
Wow, and you're here.
Yeah.
Anything you want to say before we go?
Let's do it.
Sounds good, let's go.
I'm absolutely terrified. I think I'm the most scared I've ever been in my whole life.
Alright, we're just climbing 5,000 feet at the moment.
How high is this?
5,000
It's
feet.
only 5.
5,000, yeah. We're on our way though.
I'm not as happy as I was when I was on the ground. I was a bit more pleased down there. Not good now. I guess these are my final words, aren't they? Life has taught me many things. Most important thing that I would take from my experiences is not to jump out of planes. Don't do that.
Guys, almost 6,000 feet halfway. How you doing? Alright, yeah. 100% you still want to do it? Yeah, why not? Let's go jump out of this plane.
Michael, how you feeling now, bro? Yeah, I feel bad. You still want to do this? Yeah. Alright, get you ready, okay? Anything you want to say before we go?
I was thinking into darkness for something to hold on. Found you when you were so broken, and I felt something was wrong. I think I'm in love, 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 I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. Ooh, I'm in love with you. I think I'm in love, 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 I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you.
Nice work, mate. What do you think of that? Unreal. Yeah?
Take your breath away, one for that. Okay, my friend, we've got to get parachute above us, have a look. Welcome back to the ground.
Feels good to be on the floor.
Dude, nice work. What do you think?
Amazing. Something else, man. Something else.
Nothing quite like it, is it?
Nah.
What do you think?
Glad we're down. Alive. No, unbelievable. Really, really good.
You seem pretty calm in the plane, you're alright.
I didn't really have any expectation. It was a last minute thing. It was a bit of peer pressure.
That's
and,
good. Don't you think about it, just go and do it.
Pretty much.
Cool.
You just jumped from 12,000 feet over Lake Taupo in New Zealand. How are you feeling?
Yeah, it's the best thing I've ever done in my life. It's unbelievable.
It's pretty exhilarating,
Yeah.
mate. You got a nice big smile on your face there. You had a good time, mate.
I had the best time.
Cool, man. Hey,
Okay.
thanks for jumping with
Thanks very
Skydive Taupo.
I did it, I'm here. Oh, it was so good, I'm so happy. I like the bit where I stay alive, I think that's where I get the fun from.